Alright guys, today we are going to show you how to do a quick diagnostic on your ryobi. I think this is like a 2200. There's a model number on this thing here. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, here we go. ryi2300bta. That's the model number of this thing. You know, you got this, you know what it is. All right, so what we do is we put on cold start, pull it, it's not starting. Put on run start, pull it, it's not starting. So there's three things this engine needs. It needs spark, fuel, and compression. There's an easy way to check if it's got spark and compression. You bypass the fuel. 90% of the work I do in these shops is carburetors. So this is just a quick way to diagnose your machine. I'm using some O'Reilly's brake cleaner. You can use carb cleaner. You can dump gas in it. It's whatever, something flammable in there. All right, so we got the side cover off. Here's the carburetor. The next video I do will be on the repair on this, and I'm pretty certain it's the carburetor. So we pull that line off. Now that gives us a direct flow right into the carburetor. So now we're going to spray some carb cleaner in it. And then we're going to pull it over a bunch of times. Display comes up. And it's trying to, yeah, and it ran out of fuel. So it's got compression, it's got spark, it is not getting fuel. So we're gonna have to do a carburetor on this. So that's the easy way to check it. Now, if it, after pulling a bunch of times, it didn't fire up, obviously you're gonna want to check spark. I'll put a spark tester. They're really cheap. I'll put one in the description below. Or you pull the plug out, check it. Is it wet? If it's wet, then you probably don't have spark, or it might be flooded. You need to dry the cylinder out, dry the spark plug out, try again. Another thing is, if you're not getting spark, check your oil. You should always check the oil on this. It should be always full. If it's not firing up, it's probably working fine. It's the oil sensor saying, hey, shut off, there isn't enough oil in this. Check your oil, fill it up with oil. This is a carburetor. That's going to be our next video. Again, I'll put spark tester, compression tester in the description below. Next video is me doing the carburetor. All right, guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Today's t-shirt will be in the description below. I'm going to be making my own t-shirts this summer, guys. I'll be hooking up some t-shirts. I'll be doing some free giveaways, stuff like that. Coming soon. If you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to wear your t-shirt for a few videos. Send me some t-shirts and some cool stuff. Peace.